We'll try a steak, a sauce to go with it, mashed potato and poached egg. Let's see how it goes. I have sliced one breast piece into two like this. This is called butterfly cut. Now I will cut this into two pieces. I'm not adding a lot of flavors, not marinating it too much. I just have salt, pepper and lemon. Leave it for 10 minutes. By the time meat gets ready, let me boil some potatoes. We will leave the potatoes for 3 whistles. It's always good to put some vegetables along with the steak. I have some mushroom and carrot, so let me cut that. You can put some beans if you have. I don't have the beans now. That's the third whistle, so I will move the potato aside. I'll put the pan in. Pan is hot now. I'll put some oil. Put some butter also. Now put the chicken piece into it. Keep the flame to medium and leave it for around 3 to 4 minutes. You could see the color turning white. It's about 4 minutes now and I think it is ready. Let me just turn it upside down. Yes, that's golden brown color. Allow the vegetable also to fry along with this. Okay, it's around 4 minutes now. Let's just see. Okay, let's go. Salt. The minimum temperature required for the steak is 145 degree Fahrenheit. Our steak is ready now. Prepare the sauce for the steak. Put in the butter, garlic. I'm using the same pan which is used for steak. Maida. Roast it for a minute. Soya sauce. Pepper, little bit of jaggery, water, it's very tight, so I am adding a little bit more of water. We ended up adding 1 cup of water. Let's get back to our potato now. We'll use a masher. Mash it as much as possible, make it as fine as possible. Putting some butter. Let me put a bit more butter, it becomes more tastier. I have some milk. I will put the potato into it. Keep stirring it. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's check it. Yep, look how it is coming together. Turn off the stove. Let's now try poached egg. In the first step, I will just filter out the water content from the egg. Just gently shake it. If there is any water content, let it go off. Remove it very gently. Fine, let's keep it aside. Turn the flame down and I'll put some lemon into it. You could also put vinegar. I don't have vinegar now. Stir it. You have to stir it well until it becomes like a whirlpool. Keep stirring it. Then slowly put your egg into it. Yep. Okay, it seems to be ready now. I'll slowly take this out. It's not quite ready, so I'll just leave it for a minute. Take it out. Now let me plate it. The egg. Stir it very well. Perfect. I think I got it right in the second attempt. The first one is not quite a poached egg. Okay, our meal is ready. Let me plate it. Now to go with egg, I am putting a piece of focaccia bread. Focaccia bread is a very tasty bread. If you want to know how to make it, I'll put a YouTube video in my description. Check it out. Okay, let me enjoy my meal.